How to fix DX11 feature level 10.0 is required to run the engine error. 1. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Check that your device is using the latest DX version. 3. Ensure that your GPU supports feature level 10.0 via DX. Notes: 1. You may need to upgrade your GPU. 2. Update installed apps. 3. Using the dedicated GPU for graphics processing, run the application using the dedicated graphics card. 4. Install any optional Windows updates. 5. Repair DX. 6. For Windows 7 users, install update KB2670838.